Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, we're following several developing stories. 4 men are shot in separate incidents across St. Catherine on Emancipation Day.
I heard the neighbor telling my wife that Paul got shot.
Reggae artist and Bob Marley One Love actor Ras AJ is killed. Tonight, what investigators are revealing. Also developing tonight, a major breakthrough in the fight against organized crime. 19 alleged members of the Genocide gang are now facing criminal charges following a sweeping police operation spanning 5 parishes. Who is being charged and the serious charges they're now facing? Then, a brazen armed robbery, gunmen storm a housing complex and rob several Chinese nationals at gunpoint, what police say the suspects escaped with as the search intensifies. Plus, there's good news tonight.
We rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all, we survive, and let's kill all the world.
Or Sunshine Girls make another impressive Commonwealth Games run, defeating Australia to book their place in the final before going toe-to-toe with New Zealand in a thrilling battle for gold. And later tonight,
it's your Queen Diva, Miss Meow. Today we commemorate the indomitable, unparalleled, socio-culturally magnificent island of Jamaica.
it's the Emancipation Day message that's taking social media by storm. Joan Kenzie's unique delivery has viewers saying,
La 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 la! Unequivocally.
Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for joining us. Carry on Lifestyle. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight in St. Catherine, where police are investigating several shooting incidents that leave 1 man dead and 3 others injured during the Emancipation Day holiday. Dead is 43-year-old Brian-Todd Anthony Boucher, the actor best known for playing alleged Jamaican gangster Claude Massop in the film Bob Marley One Love. Police say Boucher, also known as Ras AJ, had arrived in Jamaica from New York just hours before he was fatally shot in Waterford, Portmore.
He couldn't get into his room, so apparently he went to check his girlfriend that is over Fort Worth, to get the keys to enter the room. But apparently I was told that he told his girlfriend that let that stay till later. And when he left there, he went on Watford Park and was talking to his friends where they attacked him.
Investigators say Boucher and a 37-year-old man were walking along a roadway when armed men traveling in a motor vehicle approached. One of the occupants reportedly got out and opened fire on them. Boucher was pronounced dead at the Spanish Town General Hospital, while the other victim remains hospitalized. As of news time, his condition is not known.
I didn't even hear the shots, sir. I tell you the truth, I didn't hear the shots. He was 5 months old and I grew him up, you know. He's not my blood child, but I grew him up as a blood child. And no, it wasn't my blood child. It wasn't my blood child, but he's my son. We all are proud of him, you know. I'm proud of him. And our sister in New York there, we think well of him, you know, because of what. And he played his role very well, from what I understand. It hit me so hard because I've never expected anything like this, sir, you know. So it hit me very hard. This is the hardest hit I ever got in all my life. I just want to say to you that he had not been an out of order person for what I know. Yeah, for what I know. Around the community here. People love him all over.
Detectives assigned to the St. Catherine South Police Division are working to establish the motive for the fatal shooting. In a separate incident later that night, 2 other men were shot and injured along Orchid Avenue in Gordon Penn. According to investigators, the men were standing along the roadway shortly after 10:40 p.m. when armed assailants opened fire, leaving both victims with gunshot wounds. The injured men were taken to the Spanish Town General Hospital for treatment. As of news time, their conditions are not known. Police say investigations into both incidents are continuing. Also developing tonight, police say they have dealt a significant blow to organized crime after filing charges against the 19 alleged members of the so-called Genocide gang. The 18 men and 1 woman are accused of being part of a criminal organization that investigators say was responsible for murders, shootings, and robberies across St. James, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, and Kingston and St. Andrew between 2021 and this year, 2026. Among those charged is 39-year-old Tafari Green, otherwise called Scoobs or Scrappy, who's accused of leading the criminal organization. Nicholas Henry, otherwise called a Chemist, who's charged with providing benefits to a criminal organization, and a 34-year-old Jaylee Henry, who is charged with being a member of a criminal organization. The remaining 16 accused are charged with being members of a criminal organization following a series of targeted operations conducted by the National Strategic Anti-Gang Division, better known as NSAD. Police say the accused were apprehended during coordinated operations and later identified in identification parades before charges were laid. Deputy Superintendent Kevin Johnson, who heads the NSAD, says the division remains committed to dismantling criminal networks operating across the island. Deputy Superintendent Johnson says organized criminal groups depend on leadership, membership, and support networks to carry out their activities, adding that the NSAD will continue pursuing those involved and bringing them before the courts. He also appealed to members of the public to continue partnering with the police by sharing information that can help disrupt organized crime. Meanwhile, police are searching for 4 armed men following a brazen daylight robbery targeting several Chinese nationals in White House, St. Catherine. Investigators say the man escaped with a 12-gauge shotgun, approximately $1,700, 100,000 Jamaican dollars, and several electronic devices. According to police, shortly before 11:45 Saturday morning, a security guard on duty at a housing development occupied by Chinese nationals was confronted by the men. Investigators say 3 of the suspects were armed with guns, while the 4th was carrying a machete. The men allegedly disarmed the security guard of his shotgun before forcing their way into a nearby dwelling where the Chinese nationals were robbed at gunpoint. The suspects fled the area before the police arrived. The Linstead Criminal Investigation Branch is leading the investigation as efforts continue to identify and apprehend those responsible. Anyone with information is being asked to contact the Linstead Criminal Investigations Branch at 876-985-2285, Police Emergency at 119, Crime Stop at 311, or the nearest police station. Turning now to some good news tonight.
We rise to the top, but we know what it takes to do it all. We survive and we're still on the
Our Sunshine Girls have once again made the nation proud, delivering another remarkable Commonwealth Games campaign that ended with a 2nd consecutive silver medal. Our Sunshine Girls stunned world #1 and defending champions Australia in a thrilling semi-final, securing a historic place in the gold medal match and ending Australia's streak of appearing in every Commonwealth Games national final.
It's just take your time. What does this mean to you? What does this mean to Jamaica to represent your country? So many emotions out there.
No, it's just
Take your time.
it's just amazing. Like, we're such a small island, and to be able to put out those performances, and I wish people knew like the struggles that we go through in the camps, and everything we have to do to get here, to be able to go up against #1 in the world, as big as it is, the facilities and everything they have, to go out there and put a performance like that out against them is just insane, and we feel so much belief from everyone at home, everyone in the crowd. Yeah, one Jamaica, one love.
Our Sunshine Girls edged Australia in a nail-biting contest, with Captain Shamira Sterling Humphrey leading a determined defensive effort, and veteran goal shooter Romelda Aiken along with Shanice Beckford helping to seal one of the biggest victories in the team's history. Following the semi-final triumph, our Sunshine Girls advanced to the championship match against world number 2 New Zealand. Although our girls fell 56-48 to the Silver Ferns in Sunday's final, the team captured its second straight Commonwealth Games silver medal and Jamaica's 5th Commonwealth Games netball medal overall. The silver medal finish caps another memorable tournament for our Sunshine Girls, whose resilience, teamwork, and determination once again placed Jamaica among the world's netball elite. Congratulations to our Sunshine Girls on another outstanding Commonwealth Games performance. You know, for this impressive performance, you all deserve a Miss Kitty Blanc.
Unequivocally.
Joan Kenzie isn't done just yet. Her Emancipation Day message is now going viral. Let's watch.
For every island, Jamaica, you're clean. Just the truth. It's your queen diva, Miss Meow. Today we commemorate the indomitable, unparalleled, socio-culturally magnificent island of Jamaica. Them can't call Jamaica name for nothing for double. Until you're this Jamaica, we not got this ya. Unequivocally. Better you say Jamaica people hype than you say we're done. And we say education and talent, land of wood and water. La 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 la. Unequivocally. No, but Calico, some of them country still think we live in a slavery days, like so we live in some old shop. Queen Nanny of the Maroons did not take a bullet to her royal derriere. For una come here, I come back on mono. The great philanthropist, Honorable Robert Nestor Marley, once euclibriously said, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. La 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 la. Just the truth. Jamaica versatile like the fowl for the Grace Coxsou package. Big up my nail text to me. I be hard-working people there because by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. You have integrity and dignity. Some people come chat about them one runway. Sometimes you have to allow out some grasmite, some azimite, some salibog. I'm telling you, a nation where everybody is simultaneously, humongously, operationally, humongously, a big, humongous, humorously family. We don't merely survive, we outmaneuver adversity with spectacular audacity. Happy emancipation and independence for my independent ladies. We little but we talawa. Tiny island, colossal confidence. I'm telling you. Guess who's back on Nationwide 90 FM? Miss Meow Live. Audacious.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
She's so talented. Well done, Joan. And as we celebrate our emancipation, let us honor the courage of our ancestors, celebrate the strength and resilience of our people, and never take our freedom for granted. May we continue to move forward with hope, unity, pride, and a renewed commitment to building a better Jamaica for generations to come. Joan, help me out with a Miss Kitty Blanc Day.
La 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 la.
And that's the news. On Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Carry-On Lifestyle, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.